2021 Jaguar F-Type World Premiere Impressions. If there is such a thing as value in the expensive sports car space, Jag's F-Type has it. 2 months after first catching wind of Jaguar's heavy refresh of its 2021 F-Type sports car, we finally know how much all that newness is going to cost. And good news. In spite of the significant changes, the F-Type's base price hasn't gone up a single penny over last year's model. You will once again pay at least $62,625 to get into an F-Type, although you will pay slightly more for higher trims than before. Sitting at the bottom of the lineup is the F-Type P300, which is powered by a 296 HP turbo 4-cylinder and holds the distinction of being the only 2021 F-Type you can buy with rear-wheel drive. In drop-top form, the P300 costs $3,100 more. Next up is the R-Dynamic P380, which comes with a 380 HP supercharged V6 engine and standard all-wheel drive. Pricing starts at $82,825, with the convertible version again costing $3,100 more. The insane F-Type R is still available, this time with the old SVR's 575 HP supercharged V8 engine, for $104,225 or $1,400 more than the previous F-Type R. Eagle-eyed sports car pricing fanatics will notice that the Jag F-Type R still costs less money than Porsche's 992 Generation 911 Carrera S, despite delivering quite a bit more power, 132 ponies, to be exact, 2 additional cylinders, and an epic V8 soundtrack. Thanks to its front engine layout, the mightiest Jaguar can't quite match the rear-engined 911 Carrera S's launch performance. It is estimated that the updated R can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. In our testing, the 2020 911S with rear drive, no less, hit that benchmark speed in 3.0 seconds flat. Top speed for the muscle car Jag is limited to 186 miles per hour. Jaguar says it recalibrated the traction control systems. Traction was always something the F-Type R needed more of, retuned the shocks and springs, and fiddled with the brake-based torque vectoring setup to sweeten the car's moves. We'll find out if these changes make as big of an impact on the F-Type's demeanor as the new styling thin, wide-set headlights and all makes on the sports car's curb appeal when we drive it. Thank you for watching my video.